everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to paint this portrait, and step by step tutorial will be there, and I will explain how to blend the colors. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So many students and parents ask that I don't have any easel with us, how to do work with acrylic painting and how we can manage without any easel. So this particular video is for them, that there will be no excuse while you have a burning desire in you that I will work, I will paint. So for them I have shown you that you can fix the paper on the wall with the help of cello tape or some other tapes like cello tape, and with good adhesive so that it can be fixed on the wall. After fixing the chart paper, here I have used chart paper approx 200 GSM, and I applied 1 coat of acrylic paint mixed with water as the background layer. I always start with the background because starting with background will give a very good impact on portrait. If you start the portrait first and go for the background at the last, then the background will come up with highlight and the portrait will submerge into it. So I prefer that you should start with background first. Okay. After finishing the background, I always chose the critical portion first, and for me, eyes have the best expression, which is the most critical part of any portrait. So I always start with the eyes. You may start with other places too. It is depending upon the outline. I have done the outline before with 0.5 mechanical pencils, and I have used the grid method to get the proper proportion. You can use any other methods too, or this method is well working for me and it might work for you too. So you choose your particular style, and the most important thing is that you will have to dedicate yourself while you are blending the colors. Now the main question is how to blend the colors. This is the most important part of any painting. While you are working with acrylic oil, that doesn't matter. The matter is that how to mix them or blend them. I use the medium to mix them. What is that? If I am working with acrylic color, then my medium is water. Then what I used to do, I peel the light shade as well as the darker shade separately, and then I dip the brush into the blank water or white or plain water, and then directly brush the conjunction layer. Conjunction means where the light shade and darker shades are side by side, are overlapping. There I used to brush it properly so that the colors got mixed or blend to each other. This is my phenomenon. You may try it once, it maybe works for you. I'll suggest that try it once and let me know by commenting me that whether this process is a good process, it works for you or not. And once again I'm repeating the process. Feel the light shaded area as well as the dark shaded area, and the point or line in between the dark shade and light shade, there you brush with only water, plain water without any color. Wash your brush properly, dip it into the water for acrylic color, and then paint it, brush it, and keep on brushing till the both layers got blend. Okay, and if you are working with oil colors, the medium will change with linseed oil or something. Okay, So the process is same. You will have to brush the conjunction point very well till it got bent to each other. If you want a separate video on how to blend the colors at the junction point, then comment me. I will definitely come up with this particular video. And if you have some other topics, or if you have a particular portrait you want to get painted by me, then comment me, send me the link of that particular portrait, or you can message me on Instagram that you want this portrait. I will definitely make videos on them. I am searching for topic that on which I should make videos, and if you have some topics on your mind, then please suggest me. That will be so much helpful for me. I always suggest that don't use black directly on the portrait or on your painting or sketching or something like that, cause using black is definitely a good idea, but if you start with mixed color with black color, then the effect will be more natural. If you are not believing my words, then try it by your own, then only you believe it, okay? At this portrait, I am working by judging the values of colors. Judging the value of colors means keep the original photograph just beside you and try to opt the color which your eyes can catch, and try to make the color by mixing 2, 3, 4, 5 colors till you are not getting satisfied, and then work on it. So this is the best process for me to get the proper value of each and every shades. First of all, try to understand what are the sources of light, or from where you are getting the light reflected on the object. It may be 1 or 2 or more than that. First of all, identify them. After understanding the sources of light, you should go for the darkest value. Means where is the blackest area or darkest area is there, point out them. Once you have the lightest area as well as the darkest area, you can definitely go a color in between them at the middest area. Yes or no? You no need to think about that which color should I use. It will automatically come. So this is the easiest way to select the colors. You guys are not commenting me where you are facing problem. That's why I am not able to explain that how to create the portrait and all. So I am asking you that if you want to know something, please comment me. I will definitely make videos with the answers. See, for heads, I have used royal blue color as the base coat, and so nicely I have filled each and every white area with the colors where I expect that hairs will be there. And let the first layer to dry, cause each and every time when you want to overlap the layers, then let the first layer dry very well. Once the first layer done, you checked it that it is not wet enough, then you go for the second layer. then there will be no blending of colors. Otherwise patches will come and that photograph or painting will definitely gonna ruin your dream output. You may be curious enough that why I have used here royal blue color. See, the dress of the lady is kinda blue color, and that's why I have selected the same. Where there will be the separation of hairs, some blue colors will be visible, which is nothing but the reflection of her dress, and that's why I have selected the royal blue colors. Okay, as the first layer got dried, so I am working with second layer, and this is nothing but the total black color I am using for hairs. Here I have used dry brush to show the hairlines. If I will use much wet color, then each and every hairlines will not come properly. So I have used the dry brush, and lightly I am giving the strokes so that each and every hairline must be visualized separately. Now I am working with the finished look. Once again I am requesting that if you have any doubt or queries, or if you want that particular any portrait should be done by me, then please suggest me that, comment me all your queries. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Give a thumbs up to this video if you really enjoyed my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos like that. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.